Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change gender on BingX application using your smartphone. First of all, launch open the BingX application to get started and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home page of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're inside this expanded menu, go to the top of the screen and tap on your email. On the next page, you'll see the gender option under personal info. Tap on that and select your gender you want to change to or set to. After making a selection, you'll be able to see your gender information updated. Now, you can head back to the home page, and once you've done that, it will be saved automatically. Your profile now should show the updated gender. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.